Hey everybody, welcome back to Lemon Branch DIY, your DIY home fixes that save you time and money. Today I'm working on my second generation Honda Pilot, and I'm going to show you how to upgrade your third brake light as well as your license plate lights. We're gonna make them LED. They're gonna be a lot brighter. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get to it. So I am going to upgrade these halogen bulbs that are here on our third brake light, as well as doing the license plate lights, and I'm going to just make those LED, make them a little bit brighter. Now I have a couple other videos that I will leave a link in the description down below for upgrading all of the exterior lights to LEDs. I have done everything else on the vehicle except for these last couple things, and I'm going to show you the easy way to do it and just what a difference I think it makes for how bright it is. Plus I think it just makes it a little bit easier for the vehicle to be seen. They are much brighter. So this is the style of LED light that I'm recommending to use. It's this Oxedo brand. I really like this Oxedo brand. I've used it around the rest of the car, and I feel like they have a really good product. So these are the lights I'm going to use. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description down below for all the products that I'm using today. So this is what I'm recommending. It's the size 194 or 168. So there's 6 right here that are just regular lights, but these here, this 4 here, they are 12 volt to 24 volt. So the way it works is this here is kind of like your interior lights, these 6 here, but then this 4-pack right here is kind of your exterior. But it doesn't really matter, they're kind of all the same, and we don't have enough of these 4-pack to do the center light. So I'm just going to use a mixture of all of these. I'm going to use 2 of these probably for the license plate, and then we'll do the rest of these for the brake light. And then this is just, I'm gonna just include this because I like using this. This is a whole kit. It's not very expensive, and it's just for trim and molding. And I like using a lot of these tools instead of just using like a screwdriver, because we don't want to scratch the vehicle anywhere we're using paint or anything like that. This will be for the license plate lights. We're going to need to pop off the cover, but I'll show you. I'm actually going to use this tool, but just including this just because I really like this kit. It's super inexpensive and it's just handy to have. Okay, and the last thing that we're going to need is the just a Phillips head screwdriver. So here is the lights up close, and there's 2 access points to get in there. There's this little clip here and this little clip over here. So we're just going to go in here and carefully pop up. You hear that little pop, and we can grab it like this. And like I said, there's that little, see those little pegs on both sides? We got to be careful not to break those. But then that exposes a Phillips screw, Phillips head screw inside both of those. Okay, so we're just gonna take these out. We'll take this one out. There's 2 more screws, one on this side and one over on this side, that will allow us to pull out the bank of lights. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the light kind of back up in there, but you can see that it exposes 5 of these halogen bulbs, and it's pretty straightforward. We're just gonna pop those off and put the new ones in. But before we do, I'm gonna put a glove on because these are still just fine, and the oils off of your hand will affect the light. So instead of using them barehanded, I'm gonna actually put a glove on and take those off, and then we'll just insert the brand new ones. All we do to take these out, you just pop them straight out. They just come straight out. See how easy that is? Now I'm just gonna take just 5 of the regular indoor, not the 12, 24 volt. We just insert those right back in exactly like the other ones were. So see how easy that is? You just pop them in. So we just do all 5 of those. So that's all there is to it. Look at that. These are so nice. The one thing I will point out, see how there's LED lights on the outside as well as underneath? So these things are super bright. They're gonna be amazing. So there's 5 of them. Now, before we go too far, we need to test it, make sure they come on. So let's go turn the lights on, make sure that we have power, because these are sensitive to polarity. So if they don't come on, you just flip them around to get the connection. Okay, so the easiest way for me to test these is I just got back in the car and I just put the lights hanging down the window. And you can see when I push on the brake, I can see them really good. So you see how there's 2? The polarity is reversed. So on those 2, I need to just flip them around. These 2 right here need to be reversed. So all I did is just take them out and flip them around. and put them back in. So I just flipped those guys around. Now let's just test it again. All right, so see that? I just flipped them around and now all 5 of them are working. Now it's just a matter of just putting it all back together. Okay, so we just screw these back in and we'll put the whole thing back together. Now we just put these screws back in here. Now be careful when you're doing this one. We don't want to over tighten them. So we'll just go ahead and get it nice and tight, but you don't need to over tighten them because this is just a plastic bracket and we don't want to over tighten it. We don't want to break it. So just be careful as you tighten it up. Just get it nice and tight, but don't over tighten it. Now we just have to put the little clips in. So we'll just stick these little guys back in and they just snap into place. Do you hear that? Snap into place. So see that? There's a bigger end and a little end. I'm just going to put the bigger end up top. Just like that, and then just snap it into place. Okay, so that was super easy. And look how good they look inside there. Okay, now we're going to work on the license plate lights, and they are located right by the license plate, just like literally above. There's one on this side, and then we've got one on this side. And so you can use a screwdriver you like, but I really like this tool, and I'll show you why, because it's got the perfect angle. As I put it up in there, you just kind of get up there and pop it just like that. You see how that starts to come out? That's what I like about this tool. It's just perfectly wide enough that it can pop that out. Then once you get to that point, you just can remove the whole thing. So then that exposes the little bulb that's right in there. That's the halogen bulb. It's the exact same size. And so all we have to do is pop that out and put the new one in, and it'll be the exact same thing over on this side. So let's go ahead and get the light and we'll put it in. So all we got to do is reach up there and pull this out. Pulls out just exactly the same. And you notice I'm using my gloves again. And then the new one, that just slides right back up and in, just like that. And so we'll go ahead and do the other side. Let's go ahead and test it real quick just to make sure that we got it on, and then we'll move to the other side. Okay, so there you can see the difference between the halogen and the new LED, and you can see how much different it looks just even in the day, but I'll show it again at night. Okay, so there's those both installed. Let's just go ahead and pop the clips back in. Let's put the covers back on. Okay, when we go to put it in, you want to go just opposite of how you took it out. So once you get that all the way up and inside like that, then we'll put it on this other side and you'll hear a big snap. Yep, now it's in. So both sides are in. Okay, so they're both on, looking really good. And so that's pretty much all there is to it. Okay, I'm gonna show you what this looks like at night. Okay, so that's how bright the license plate lights are. Very nice and bright. All right, so there you have it, you guys. This was a really easy fix, and I'm so excited to have everything on this vehicle now on the exterior has been upgraded to LED lights. I just think it, from a safety standpoint, it's a little bit brighter. You can be seen a lot better. So I have a couple different series of videos now that show how to update all the rest of the lights. So whether you're looking at the tail lights or the headlights, the fog lamps, I will leave a link in the description down below for each of those videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you on the next project.